Honeybees, renowned for their intricate social structure and industrious nature, are often associated with the sweet, golden elixir they produce, honey. But why do honeybees dedicate so much energy and effort to producing honey? Central to the honey-making process is the collection of nectar from flowers. Worker bees venture out from the hive in search of flowers rich in nectar, using their keen sense of smell and sophisticated communication to guide them. Upon finding a suitable flower, they use their proboscis, a specialized tube-like structure, to extract the nectar and store it in a special pouch called the honey stomach. After embarking on a foraging expedition, a honeybee collects nectar or honeydew, rich sources of sugars crucial for its survival. Nectar, sourced from flowers, typically contains a high water content, ranging from 70% to 80%. Conversely, honeydew from aphids and other insects tends to be slightly more dilute. Using its specialized proboscis, the bee extracts these sugary fluids and stores them in its honey stomach, located just above its food stomach. In the honeybee species, Apis mellifera, the honey stomach can hold approximately 40 milligrams of liquid, representing a significant portion of the bee's body weight. Collecting this amount of nectar demands extensive foraging efforts, often involving visits to over 1,000 flowers. Salivary enzymes and proteins secreted by the bee into the honey stomach initiate the breakdown of complex sugars like sucrose and starches into simpler forms such as glucose and fructose. Back at the hive, the foragers transfer the nectar to other worker bees through a process known as trophallaxis. This communal exchange of food allows the nectar to undergo enzymatic digestion, breaking down complex sugars into simpler forms. Through a series of regurgitations and manipulations, hive bees concentrate the nectar, expelling water through evaporation into the warm air of the hive. This process, facilitated by the formation of bubbles between their mandibles, gradually reduces the water content of the nectar, transforming it into honey. This meticulous process, involving continuous regurgitation, digestion, and evaporation, can take up to 20 minutes until the honey reaches optimal storage quality. As the honey continues to mature, hive temperatures are carefully regulated to facilitate water evaporation and prevent microbial fermentation. Honeybees utilize their remarkable ability to generate body heat, maintaining hive temperatures around 35 degrees Celsius in honey storage areas. The culmination of this intricate process results in honey with a water content between 15.5% to 18%, significantly lower than that of the original nectar. This concentrated solution of sugars in water, achieved through meticulous evaporation, inhibits microbial growth and fermentation, endowing honey with an indefinite shelf life. While honey is renowned for its sweetness, its complexity extends far beyond its simple composition of sugars. Individual honeys derived from various plant sources boast unique flavor profiles, aromas, and chemical compositions, courtesy of over 100 volatile organic compounds they contain. The specific types and concentrations of volatile organic compounds present in honey can serve as markers of the flora used to produce monofloral honeys. Factors such as geography, soil composition, and acidity further influence honey aroma properties, contributing to its distinctiveness. Temperature and processing methods can also impact volatile organic compounds, with some being heat-labeled and destroyed at elevated temperatures, while others are created during chemical reactions such as the Maillard reaction. Honeybees engage in the meticulous process of honey production with a specific purpose in mind: to ensure the survival of their colony, particularly during lean periods such as winter. As temperatures drop and floral resources become scarce, Honeybees rely on their stored honey reserves to sustain them through the colder months when foraging becomes challenging. Unlike bumblebee colonies, where only the queen bee survives by hibernating underground during winter, honeybee colonies depend on the stored honey to feed all members of the colony. This strategic stockpiling of honey allows honeybees to endure the scarcity of flowers and foraging opportunities during the coldest time of the year, ensuring the survival of the entire colony. Honeybees obtain essential nutrients from a diverse diet, comprising pollen and nectar. Pollen serves as the primary protein source for honeybees, containing amino acids crucial for their development and reproduction. Adult worker bees consume specific amounts of pollen daily to meet their protein requirements, while larvae require precise amounts of pollen for proper growth and development. In addition to proteins, pollen also provides lipids and fat-soluble vitamins necessary for honeybee health. Phytosterols from pollen are metabolized by honeybees to produce essential sterols required for various physiological processes, including brood rearing. Nectar, collected by foraging worker bees, serves as a source of water and carbohydrates, primarily in the form of sucrose. The carbohydrates obtained from nectar are crucial for adult honeybees' energy needs and larval development. Water, essential for maintaining osmotic balance, preparing brood food and regulating hive temperature through evaporation, is also obtained from nectar or from external sources, such as streams or ponds on hot days.